Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a custom game and invite friends in Marvel Rivals. So all you have to do is launch the game on your console or on your PC and access this page. And then from here, select play. And then just before you launch a match, select change mode. And then from here, you should see the option custom game. So select that. And then now you should choose the option create. So choose create. And now you'll get to a room. Now from here, you can invite your friends who you want to play with or you want to play against. So simply select the plus icon, find the friend you'd like to invite. So let's say, for instance, I want to invite this particular friend, select them, and then select invite, and that particular player will join your room. Now you can also add bots if you want to have a mixture of player friends with some bots. You can simply select add bots and choose the amount of bots you want to add. So let's just add 2 of them, confirm, and then you can choose to customize the bots to suit your needs. You can either transfer them to your team or you can just leave them to the enemy team. And then from there onwards, you can adjust the room settings. So let's say, for example, if you want to adjust the room settings, select room settings and then choose to name that particular room. Or you can choose to lock the room. So if you lock the room, you have to enter a password so that you can access that particular room. Now from here, you can choose who can join that particular room. So you can set it to open to all, whereby each and every person can join. Or you can choose friends only, whereby your friends only can join. Or you can choose invitation only, whereby if you have an invitation to that particular room, you can only join it at that particular moment. Now you can also choose to allow spectator access. So you can choose either to allow open to all, friends only, or you can decide no spectating. And also you can choose the ban or pick settings. So you can either choose to decide as a team, or you can choose the leader only, or you can just say no ban and pick. So once you make the changes, simply select confirm. And also now you can choose the maps. Like let's say, for instance, if you want to play on a different map, so all you have to do is select the image and then choose which gameplay you'd like to play. So be it quick match, competitive, or arcade. So select the one you desire. And then if you want to select one particular map, just select it and then select confirm. But if you want to select all maps, simply select all, and it will select each and every map on that particular game mode. Alternatively, you can just select multi-select and then choose the amount of maps that you'd like to use. And once done, select confirm. Now, once you're sure everything is okay, all you have to do is simply start. And now you can play with your friends and bots if you have any. And that's how you can create that. You can create a custom game and play with your friends in Marvel Rivals. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.